Hello friends, in this video we shall learn about trigonometric identities. An equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identities. It is true for all the values of angles involved. In this video, we will prove one trigonometric identity and use it further to prove other useful trigonometric identities. In all, there are three identities. इन तीन आइडेंटिटीज से ही आप सारी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को क्लास 10th की सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो लेट अस सी. देयर इज अ राइट एंगल्ड एट बी. सो इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, राइट एंगल्ड at B. Using Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Dividing both the side by AC square. Dividing both the sides by AC square. So this would become, we get AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. Further we can write it like this. AB upon AC whole square, this can be written like this, plus BC upon AC whole square, this can be written like this, and this can be written AC upon AC whole square. This way, AB upon AC, this is AB and this is AC. AB upon AC is equal to cos theta or cos A. So it is cos A square. And BC upon AC, BC is perpendicular or opposite side and AC is hypotenuse. So this will become sin theta, sin theta or sin A. So sin A square is equal to 1 square. AC is cancelled with AC. So this way we have got a formula, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Very easy. This formula can be written as cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Further, also sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. This is true for all a such that a is greater than or equal to 0. A is greater than or equal to 0. 0 degree and smaller than or equal to 90 degree. Similarly, if we divide all the side with AB square, what we will get? Let us see. Dividing both the sides by AB square. First we have divided by AC square, now AB square. Dividing both the sides by AB square, we get AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equal to AC square upon AB square. We can write this like this: AB upon AB whole square, this can be written like this, plus BC upon AB square is equal to AC upon AB squares. AB is cancelled with AB and we have got 1. So this is 1 square plus BC upon AB. This is BC, perpendicular or opposite sides, upon AB, base or adjacent side. So it is tan A. Tan A is equal to AC upon AB. AC, hypotenuse upon base, i.e. opposite of cos theta means that 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. It is sec A whole square. Sec A square. So this we have got 1 plus tan square theta or tan square A is equal to sec square A. It is true for all the values of theta greater than 90 degree and smaller than greater than 0 degree and smaller than 90 degree. This is true for this equation is true. Is true for A is greater than or equal to 0, A is greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than or equal to 90 degree. We can also write this identity like this: 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square a, or tan square a is equal to sec square a minus 1. If we transpose this one to that side, we will get tan square a, which is sec square a minus 1. And also if we transpose tan square a to that side, we will get 1 is equal to sec square a minus tan square a. Similarly, if we divide both the sides by BC, we will get third equation. By BC square, dividing both the sides by BC square. So it is very easy. Now we get AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square is equal to AC square upon BC square, or AB upon BC whole square. This can be written like this, and this can be written BC upon BC, means that BC upon BC square is equal to AC upon BC square. For this, AB upon BC, AB upon BC, it is cot square A, cot A square plus BC upon BC 1, cot A square plus 1 square is equal to AC upon BC. AC is the hypotenuse and BC is perpendicular or opposite side. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to cosec A. Cosec A. This way we have got the third equation or third identity. Cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. We note that cosec A, cot A are not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. Therefore, it is true for all A such that greater than 0 degree or smaller than or equal to 90 degree. We know that cosec A and cot A are not defined for A is equal to 0. Therefore, it is true small a is greater than a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0 degree and a is smaller than or equal to 90 degree. We can also write this equation. 1 is equal to cosec square a minus cot square a, or if we transpose this one to that side, cot square a is equal to cosec square a minus 1. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। देखते रहिए और भी वीडियो के लिए, इसी तरह की और भी वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को माई स्कॉलर्स अकेडमी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई स्कॉलर्स।